Okay everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change the battery on your Hisense air conditioner remote control. Okay, the battery of this remote will take place on the back of the remote control. Okay, and here you will see this logo. Just put your finger like this and then give a little bit of the pressure on it and take it out, and then you will see the two battery inside the remote. Take it out and you still see the text on the remote control, and it will slowly disappear because we already take out the remote. Okay, and the time still blinking. And now it's disappear. Okay, and this remote it used the two of the AAA battery side, and now to insert it back you will see the guide. You will see the logo inside this remote. I hope you see here, and it uses 1.5 voltage AAA side battery. Okay, to insert it back, here is the logo. So we input the battery following up that guideline, and then another one, you will see the signal appear on the remote screen. Okay, I input another one and then it will show up the text on here. Okay, when you replace the battery, so the time zone will become 00. You need to set up the clock once more time when you replace the battery. Okay, to set up the clock, check out the link in the description how to set up the clock on the Hisense air conditioner remote control. And now thanks for your time watching this short video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.